Jamal has 120 rupees and Octo has 130 rupees. How much money do they have altogether? According to Thing, they have 250 rupees in total. How did Thing find out? He used addition to find out the total. Addition is finding the total or sum by combining two or more numbers. In other words, addition is the process of finding the sum of two or more numbers. This symbol is used for addition. It is known as the plus sign. Let's take a few whole numbers and find their sums. First, consider this example. We carry out the addition of whole numbers by placing the numbers on top of each other. To add two whole numbers, we align the digits in their respective place values and complete the calculation from right to left. We draw a line so that the answer can go below. We write the plus sign over here on the left to show that we are adding these numbers. We first add the ones, then add the tens in the same manner, and so on. Here, 1 and 6 are in the ones place column. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 goes into the ones place in the answer. Now we move to the tens place column, where we have 5 and 3. Adding them results in 8. We write this in the tens place of our answer. Next is the hundreds column. Here we have 7 and 2, which add up to make 9. We have calculated the answer. Next, study this example. First, align the numbers. Adding 7 and 8 results in 15. But we can't write 15 in the ones place since 1 is in the tens place of our answer. This place is a sum of digits in the tens place column. What should we do? The solution is to carry that digit, which is 1 here, to the top of the next place value so that we can add this digit together with the rest of the digits in that column. This is basically addition with carrying. So, 1 plus 9 plus 5 results in 15. Again, we will write 5 in the tens place and carry 1 to the hundreds place. The sum of 1, 5, and 2 gives us 8. So, the sum of these 3-digit numbers is 855. Thing has 200 rupees. He buys a school bag for 150 rupees. How much money does he have now? Jamal thinks that he had 50 rupees left. Is that right? Yes, he is right. When we take away 150 from 200 rupees, we are left with 50 rupees. We can find this by using the concept of subtraction. Subtraction is a mathematical operation that tells us the difference between two numbers. In other words, subtraction is the process of finding how many are left when some are taken away. This is the symbol of subtraction. It is known as the minus sign. Moving on, let's look at a few more examples. Subtraction is the reverse of addition. Just like addition, we align the digits by their place values. We place the bigger number on top of the smaller number. We write the minus sign here to show that we are subtracting the numbers. Just like in addition, we will start with the ones place column. Here, we subtract the bottom number from the top. 9 minus 6 equals 3. In the tens place, we have 6 minus 4, which is 2. Last, we have the hundreds place column. Here we have 8 and 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. Hence, when we subtract 346 from 869, the difference is 523. Lastly, subtract these two numbers. First, align the digits by their place values. Observe that in the ones place column, the digit on top is smaller than the digit on the bottom. How can we subtract a bigger number from a smaller number? We can do this by borrowing from the next column, which is the tens column here. So, we can take 1 from the digit in the tens column and add it to 0. Since 1 is taken from the tens place, it really represents 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. So 10 minus 5 gives us 5. In the tens column, the top number will be reduced by 1 because we took away 1 from it. Therefore, it is 5 now. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Finally, 7 minus 3 equals 4. Thus, we calculated the difference of 760 and 325, which is 435. Similarly, we can calculate the difference of any two or more numbers with multiple digits. Now, look at these examples. Do you observe any common pattern? Observe that 0 is added to the whole numbers, and this has not changed the answers. In other words, adding 0 to any whole number does not result in any change. Hence, 0 is called the additive identity of all whole numbers. In this video, we learned about addition and subtraction of numbers. While performing the operation of addition and subtraction, digits are aligned according to their place values, and the calculation is completed from right to left. We also learned about the additive identity. When 0 is added to a given number, the number stays the same.